see all the downtown hotels right there. See them all. And see some of the hotels right in the background as well. And then Nike, I see Nike right there too. Yeah, I didn't know it's so close to downtown. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still out in Vegas. Trying to hit up as many shops I can. Do got a Nike outlet right in downtown Las Vegas. Let's go, let's go. Do have to pay for parking? Like, dude, I don't remember this in Vegas, like where you have to pay for parking everywhere now. Like, man, things are weird. All right, I'm like 0 for 4 in Vegas already with the sneaker shop. Let's go see if we can find something, man. Let's go find something. Come on now. Okay, they got a heat wall and they got 30% off finally. Holy crap. Let's see what's going on with the heat wall. Do got some stealth ones. All right, we need some creeper cam action. All right, do got the LeBrons. Those are what, size 8.5 or something? Got those bad boys up there. Got the 3s. Got some stealth ones. And then some pennies. It looks like Grayskull pennies. All right, did find a heat wall. And then also got 30% off the back. I was seeing if they were bringing up more heat stuff. I was like, what? Great timing, not really. All right, let's go check out the back wall. Before we check out the back wall, look at this. Got the Brotherhoods, the 5s, more 5s, 7s, 8s. Oh my goodness, look at all these at the outlet. That's crazy. Yeah, but if I don't get 30% off, I really don't care because it's all about that 30% off. All right, let's look around. Guess we'll start with the size 10, see what they got. All right, starting with the size 10s, $165 for these. The 30% off makes such a huge difference. The last Nike outlet I went out here, I was like, this is whatever. And now it's like, at least you get 30% off. $120 for these. A Zion, whoa, that's high. What the hell? All right, at least you get 30. Still high though. Holy crap, got a ton of those J's. What these LeBrons going for? What they go for? 170 still. That's too much. Witness 5s going for 95. These soldiers going for 120. Infinity Run Planet 130. Still a little bit high. What are these Pegasus? Oh, I'm sorry. The Terra Kiger 7s go for 70 with that extra discount. That's actually a really good price. KD Trey 5 9s go for $85. You get that extra discount. I couldn't read that one. I had to read that one. Air Max 2090s go for 80. Moving up to the 11s, $130 for these. But even that with 30% off, that's under $100. Of course, we've seen this on sale at the retail shops as well. Flytrap 4s going for $60. Great price with the discount. Evernon lows, these are 12, those $60. What are these? The liftoffs going for $115. Super Rep Go 3s. These bad boys going for $55. That's not too shabby. Juniper Trails, never even heard of those. Go for $70. Didn't even see any size 14, like anything good. Blazer Lows going for $85. Infinity Run Flynids going for $80. Flytraps going for $80. Flytrap 4s. Alpha Fly Next percent. Size 14, unknown price, but the size 15 is 90, so maybe it's going for that. That's crazy with the 30 off. Not much of a selection though, just this and this at size 15. That's it. Oh, this is size 13, go for 95. That's it. Checking the smaller sizes now. Size 9, 170 for LeBrons. Ton of them. Even got the Space Jam colorway right here. Is that the same price? 170 as well. Yup. Also got the Lakers colorway right here. 170. Yup. The Mox, the N7, the Free Crater Mox, kind of crazy. But yeah, $80 for those. Series 02s go for $50. Damn, discount, that's how cheap. I think I'm in the 8.5s now. Oh, the 8s, Air Max 2090 going for $130. Metcon 6s going for $79.97. What are these? The pre-day Air Max going for $100. Air Max 2017s. These are going for $165. Soldiers going for $120. Got the Pegasus. Oh, the Tiger. The Terra Kiger 7s go for $70. All right, let's check out the aisles. Max RS, Jordan 200Es. Yeah, they got this stuff. They do. They got them. And then this is the crazy Jordan section. I don't know if I should be impressed or if I should be like, whatever, because it's all retail. It is all retail. But yes, Brotherhoods, 5s. I forgot. Is this the Court Purple 5? I don't know. We We got those PSGs, citruses, the Haru. I don't even know how to say that full name, but leather on these, super nice suede. I just don't like the 8s. Does have his logo up top, that's kind of dope. But yeah, the Rui Hamuricha, I don't know how the hell to say his name. Then got these, got the 12 lows, and then 13s. Kyrie Flytrap 4s, another one of those. Damn, bunch of these. As we said, staple at the Nike outlets. Damn, I don't think I'm gonna use my Nike gift card. It looks like the 2 of them. Tentacumpos, the Immortalities. At least the prices are lower. Well, on that other one at least. What? That is hella cheap. Wow, that's the cheapest we've seen those. We couldn't even find these initially, and now we find them everywhere. Size 7.5 all the way to 11.5. Yep, gonna see these. Why were they so expensive on the wall though? That's weird. Wonder if you grab one of those at the wall, if they'll give it to you for 99 plus 30% off. Alley-oops. Did my voice crack? The Killshot 2 leathers, waffle debuts, LeBron lows. You know, pretty simple. 40 bucks. Really good value. Greater Impact, Air Max Dons, another one of those. Oh, they got the white Evernon lows as well. Another Crater Impact. Air Max 2017s, 270s, another one of those. Then got 1, 2, 3 rows of men's running shoes. They cram it in tight. People come in here right after the airport, right before the airport. This place is a zoo. This is like the most popular Nike outlet in Vegas, it looks like. Holy crap. All right, I'm gonna go check out the Heat wall once again, see if they did a restock or if they did anything different. And that is a negatory. I can't believe the LeBron's still there. That's crazy. I'm looking for one of those drawstring backpacks, and I saw them everywhere last week in LA, and now I see them nowhere. Man, that's how it works sometimes. Ain't this about a month? Man, I think I saw it for like as low as $6, and I was like, nah, I'm good. And then now I need one, and I can't find one. Oh, okay, they do have them. They just got these ugly ones. Damn, I just wanted the simple ones that were like $10. These are 13, I guess. Maybe I could just use this one, I guess. 13 bucks. All right, I checked even the kids and the women's section. No other drawstring backpacks. I might have to buy that Jordan one. So I'm checking the grade school section. Look at this. Even the grade school section, man, got Jordans, more Jordans. They're all for going for retail though. And then you see this backside right here. Look, those just came out. They're already at the outlets. Oh, that's a women's. That's actually a women's release. Holy crap, got tons of those. This is a women's release as well. Okay, man, all kinds of J's at the outlets. Not the greatest though, because it's regular price. Dude got mini Jordan backpacks. It's like in the kids or the women's section. I don't know which, but yeah, $25 for these. This one, it comes with free makeup right there. What's the price tag for this one? This one's going for $25 as well. The kids riding freaking little bikes. What the hell, man? This place is weird, dude. This place is weird as hell. Look at this. A little heat section I didn't even notice. Yeah. Dude got the LeBron 20s right here. I guess at retail, maybe not worth it for people. I don't know. That's interesting. All right, so this is the first time I've seen these in hand. Dude got the 20s right there. Did like a little mini review. It is some sort of knit material on top. And yeah, everybody says these kind of look like Kobe's. Very minimalistic compared to, if you look at compared to like the 19s and stuff like that. 19s were super bulky. This is just super minimalistic, kind of like a shoe for guards, which is kind of interesting. You know? But yeah, this is what everybody's making a big deal about. These sold out. I think these even had resale value and stuff. So yeah, so these were hard to find. But yeah, this is size 8. They have one up there as well, which is kind of dope. No discount on anything here, but at least they got 30% off the clearance wall. I don't know, what size are these? I don't know. Got a bigger one right here. Dude got a Jordan 3 right here, and then got a La Familia version of the trainers. Somos Familia, we are a family. Okay. On the backside right here, them Jordan 2s that were a collab. I should look them up because I keep forgetting which Jordan 2 this is. This kind of looks like the holiday version or the Chicago version, which come out this holiday. All right. But all these regular price, that's the only thing that kind of, my gift cards in my pocket because I'm not paying regular price for any of these. But yeah, dude got, what are these? The Unions, size 9. And then the premium Air Maxes right here. But I think that's pretty much about it, dude. All right, I did peruse through the women's section, but yeah, let's look through it. You got Air Max 270s, got the Shadows right here, the Air Force One Sculpts. This one does have that extra soft leather. Blazer Low Jumbos, Huaraches, got a couple of them here. This is the Jordan section that I showed you guys earlier. All regular price, so Crater Impacts, Burrows, Victory Ones. Going through the grade score real quick, that is kind of dope to see these here. I'm not the biggest fan of this, but to be able to find these for $80, that's fire. One of the workers did say they are cracking down on reselling. I don't know if she had any details though, but she just said, hey, they're working on it, so I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna grab one of these. This is a $13 bag. I'm gonna grab it, and then you know, I'm gonna go to the venue, see what the rules are, and then if I can use it, that's cool. If not, I'll return it. It is what it is. I don't return that much stuff. Let's check out some of the apparel. Dude got Jordan hoodies here going for $55. These are the ones with the Jordan on the side. 20% off. Got a bunch of different colors of that. And yeah, all 20% off. All 20% off. Normally $80. 40% off these shorts. We saw these 40% off at another spot. Yeah, $40, 40% off. So it's like, what, $24? Got the Jordan shorts. These are the thick ones, not the ones you wear to the gentlemen's clubs. Let's see, how much are these though? This 40% off the lowest ticketed price. And the ticketed price is $35. So that's actually a pretty good price. More hoodies going for 20% off right here. $50, get 20 off. 20% off these t-shirts. These are the ones with embroidering on it, kind of like the quality on it. $25, you get 20 off. Got them in black as well, medium and large for the black. Tons of sizes on the yellow. Did I say yellow? Obviously I meant white. And then dude got the mustard colorway right here going for $30. Just a bunch of bigger size XL. Yeah, it's the same BS as that other spot. It says clearance, but like yeah, there's no additional discounts off of it. All right, I think that's about it. Kind of like these because look, like the strap, they're like the thick ropes, not like the cheapy stringy ones. These ain't bad, dude. I was so busy, I didn't even notice she put the bag in a bag. And then I've also noticed, man, every Nike outlet I've been to, they've had cops here. That's interesting. Maybe they have a deal with Las Vegas Metro PD or something. I don't know. It's kind of interesting. All right, let's go. All right, Skankfest is all done. About to head home. This is the dumpiest, maybe the second dumpiest room I've ever had. Man, this place is dumb, but man, just spent way too much on Vegas, spent way too much on Oregon, so had to go trashy on this trip, man. All right, let's go back to LA. Last day of Skankfest. Did sign up for Kill Tony, so I am waiting. I'm waiting to see if I can get on Kill Tony. We'll see. Ichabod's Bucket of Destiny on Vegas shows. just got back home from Vegas. 4 a.m. Kitty cat saying what's up. Alright, bedtime.
Yeah.